How's everybody doing today? So I threw together this video which got a bunch of pictures in it and some video of my 1936 Case L that I picked up out in Syracuse area of New York. Drove out there to buy it because to me that was close to find a Case L to New England. They're typically a Midwestern Western tractor, so you don't see a lot of them in New England. There are a few, but it's not very common, and I wanted one. So I drove out there to pick it up and got it home. The engine was stuck on it. I knew it was when I went out there, but brought it home, and a week later I had it running a little bit rough, and I started to dig into it again. And as you'll see, needed a valve job. There were some clutch issues with it. I had to replace the radiator in it. But did all of that work, and roughly a year later, almost to the week, I took it out to plow a friend of mine's field a couple of towns over, and plowed up a 3-acre plot basically, and it ran flawless. This is pretty much my favorite tractor out of all of mine for some reason. This is original paint, original decals. I like it. So I figured I would share that with you. You don't see a lot of videos online for Case L's, so I wanted to put mine on there. Enjoy.